What's up, guys? Arden here. I'm back with another video, and today's the day. The exhaust came in yesterday. It is at my parents' house, so I'm on my way to go pick up somebody. It's currently 9 a.m. I'm going to go pick up a buddy because he's going to help me put this on, and we're going to go to my parents' house and put it on. So let's go travel. At this point, we have the car lifted up, and when we unboxed this, we were kind of surprised at the tips because they are huge. So anybody buying this system, if you don't like big tips, they're huge. I can literally fit my fist in it.
So they fit over the old exhaust.
Yeah, they're so big they fit over the original tips. So if you don't like big tips, that's what she said, then you probably won't like this system. But we got it all laid out on how we think it is. There's still an extra little pipe, it's like this long or so, that we don't know where it goes or what it's for, but because there's no instructions, but we're rolling with it.
We'll send it.
Okay, we got the original exhaust out, and it was real fun, right?
That was a blast. Only fried about 6 bolts.
Yeah. So what we were going to do is just take it apart from here and just do it in pieces, because it'd be a lot easier. But I don't know if you all can see this, but we completely roasted those nuts right there, because we tried to use an impact and it just pretty much fried it. So we just somehow we got those bolts loose using brake cleaner. So we got the whole thing out, and I'll put a clip of it pretty much straight popped like it is right now. I'll put a clip of that right here. And then we're about to put the new system on. It's going to be a real fun process.
One piece at a time.
All right, well, that was a pain, but we got it on somehow. But that little tiny tube, let me get underneath. Okay, that little tiny piece comes with it. That's your adapter for the 3.5, the V6 model, which we had no idea that was that. So what we did was we fitted it from the back towards the front, which made things a lot easier because you know how the fitment of the back is supposed to be. So we got it on. We're about to start it up and see how it sounds. Yep. I know first things first, I forgot to film other stuff, so I apologize. I didn't film an outro or anything like that. Later on, I'm just going to post individual clips of, like, say, a drive-by or some revs or inside the car, a GoPro on the outside of the car while I'm driving, and stuff like that. I'm going to post those individually instead of having it in this video, because I don't want you to skip through the whole video just to find those clips. So those clips will be posted later. I know I'm a terrible person, but they'll be uploaded later when I have time to film them. It'll probably be tomorrow as I'm editing and filming this. So stay tuned for that. I will have individual clips of how it sounds and stuff like that. This is a few days later. I'm just now getting to edit this. Exhaust has been on a few days. It's phenomenal. It's awesome. It looks great. One complaint is on the passenger side, the very last hanger. It's a really weird hanger. You'll see what I'm talking about if you get underneath your car and look at the passenger side hanger that's up there. It's not like a normal hanger. Like, you have the little bar, little rubber piece that goes in the bar, and then you have a bar that's on the exhaust and it just goes through it. This one, the rubber piece is mounted inside of like a bracket, so it's very hard to move. And for a couple days now, it's been falling out, and you can tell because the right side is like drooping a little bit. But I've been trying to find a day because I haven't been off of work in a few days, so I've got to find a day that I can have a buddy help me, because it's hard for me to, because I'm gonna have to push the exhaust back towards the front of the car and up in order to get it in that hanger. So I'm gonna have to have a friend help me with that. So that's my only complaint with it so far. Other than that, it's phenomenal. But I hope you enjoyed that video. I didn't want to just put it on and then just show like what it sounded like. I actually wanted to like show a little bit of the process. I know I didn't film. I could have filmed like a time lapse or some more stuff, but I was just so excited to get it on because it's pretty much like the first real mod to this car. So I was so excited to get it and put it on. I just wanted to get it on there. So in the future, I would be more in detail when I'm putting stuff on the car. But I appreciate you guys watching. The next mod to the car will definitely be headlights, because if you watched previous videos, I have complained about them because one side is very, very foggy, the passenger side, because the driver's side got hit by a deer and that side got replaced, and the passenger side headlight did not. So the right side is very foggy, the left side is completely clear. So that is the next mod I will be doing to the car. But be sure to subscribe to see the future stuff. This car will change, I promise. But thank you guys for watching. As always, make it a great day or not. The choice is yours.